Hi everyone, I'm Iran Sher. I'm the co-founder and VP Products at Nolio. And today I'm going to introduce you to Nolio and application service automation. I'm going to touch about the challenges that SaaS data center operations have today servicing their SaaS applications and how Nolio can help with that. Start with some interesting figures. And those numbers from the industry. 60% of application failures in the production environment are as a result of human errors in the installation and configuration steps. Another interesting figure is that 75% of operations team's time is being spent on application maintenance, deployment, hotfixes, upgrades, troubleshooting, recovery. Now, why is that? One interesting thing about SaaS vendors is that 100% of their revenues is being dependent on the application running in production. And here are some quotes that we gathered from our SaaS teams about what is expected from SaaS operation teams. And you can see here that it's being categorized into a lot about application uptime, about how to keep the application up and running 100% of the time in the data center, how to expedite the release time of new features, services, bug fixes into the production, how to respond to application failures, and of course, if everything is okay, how do you support the business growth? Meaning you're going to get more users, it's more complexity in the data center, how are you going to scale? That's the complexity that we see today in SaaS data centers. And it's not anymore about infrastructure. You don't get any more servers crashing, and you don't get switches which doesn't seem to work. It's all about the application complexity. You have multi-tier application, complex application with multiple software components, with dependencies between them. And those need to reside on large number of servers, on different environment, virtual, physical. We're starting to see cloud servers as well, in many different environments. Development environment, QA, staging, production, and look at the set of service tasks you have to do around your application. Deployment and release, ongoing maintenance, configuration changes, patches, troubleshooting, and all this needs to be done on a continuous matter, which we're starting to see companies that introducing changes into the SaaS data center on a weekly and even on a daily basis. So how are you going to cope with that? So what we develop at Nolio is a platform that allows you to automate all those application service tasks. And once you automate it, you have the ability to also control and manage your data center activities. Now, when dealing with application layer automation, this is a total different thing than infrastructure automation. The first thing you have to do is to take the application complexity and make it simple. So what we develop is a workflow automation engine which is designated for multi-tier application, allowing to support application architectures and dependencies, a very rich application-specific actions libraries, allowing you with out-of-the-box installation actions, application configuration actions, application verification actions, and application operational actions. All these being stored in a central repository where all the information, your operational knowledge is being kept, and developers and operations teams now can share this information and bridge the gap between the apps and the ops team. And of course, the ability to run those automation workflows in all those multiple environments, QA labs, staging, production, in a controlled way, when you can get the reports and auditing of everything that happened in your data center, who is doing what and where in the data center. These are the results that our customers are achieving today. Most of our customers are SaaS, web operation, online services, where the application is the most critical asset to the business, and it's very complex application environment. You can see in this couple of examples here, we're talking about multiple data center application running on hundreds and thousands of servers in multiple global data centers. And they've been able to beat those 60% number and the 75% number as well. So they being able to increase their application uptime and reduce and increase the productivity as well, do it in an efficient way. So Thank you very much. You're welcome to our website, noliosoft.com, and try our free demo download. Thank you very much.